Whoever pursues righteousness and love finds life, prosperity, and honor. Proverbs chapter 21, verses 21. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Love is Touch Food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Still on the Ghanaian breakfast series, and I'm so excited to share with you rice porridge, popularly known in Ghana as rice water. There is no way you will talk about Ghanaian breakfast and leave rice water out. It is one of the most popular porridges we have in Ghana, and today I'm going to show you how to make this right at the comfort of your home. Very creamy and very delicious. Let's get started. So in my bowl I am going to add about 1.5 cup of my jasmine rice. Here you can use any rice of choice. It is important to wash your rice very well in order to lose all the white starchy that you have in the rice. I am going to wash it for about 3 times, or you just wash it until the water that comes on top is very nice and crystal clear. I'm going to do that, and once I'm done I'll add about 2 cups of water and just allow this to stay overnight. If you do not have too much time on your side, or you did not really plan this, it is very important to just wash it and go ahead with the cooking process. I prefer to just allow this to stay overnight. And to that I also have some sugar, salt, and cinnamon. Cinnamon is very optional. Myself love to have cinnamon in my porridges, but not the entire family. So I'm going to show you how to make this to go in your favor, loving cinnamon or not. Okay, so please stay tuned. So now that we have our rice rested overnight, it is just important as well for you to just discard the water and rewash it again. The rice is really nice and hydrated. This contributes to your porridge being very creamy in the end because it has really soaked up lots of water. So cooking process also go a little bit faster. In the morning we do not have too much time to waste in the kitchen, so anything to make cooking process go faster, yes, we have to adapt to that. Okay, so once I'm done I'll just go ahead and put the rice in my pot and add about 2 liters of water. Yes, this need lots of water. Even I'm using just 1.5 cup of rice, but I ended up using 2 liters of water in general. I started with 1.5 liter and just went ahead to cook this and added some salt to season. And you need to be stirring this occasionally, so it's important to be around. Do not go far away, okay, because this can really happen to you if you just completely forget everything you're doing in the morning. Okay, so about 10 minutes of it cooking, you want to come and just stir a little bit just to make sure that you are not burning anything at the bottom. It is really important to be checking up on it every 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, and please kindly cook this on a low to medium heat, not too high, because you will end up burning everything. And I know you are in a hurry here and there, but this will take you a good 40 minutes for you to get it beautifully done. Okay, so the cooking time is 40 minutes straight. So I used 2 liters of water, 1 liter of water from the beginning, and I'm going to now add the other half liter because it has been about almost 20 minutes of us cooking, and it has also doubled in size and it begins to thicken up as well. So you just want to add a little bit of water to loosen everything up. So you go ahead, cover it, stir, cover, stir, cover, stir until it is nice and very well done. Okay, so it needs you to be stirring and even mashing it like this for the next 20 more minutes. I noticed that it becoming too thick for my liking, so I went in with about a cup of hot water. When it's nice and creamy, you do not want to add cold water anymore because it might end up being runny at the end. So go in with hot water instead. I added 1 cup more of hot water, and again you need to be stirring. gently and very nicely like this. You notice how creamy it has become. That's exactly how you want your rice water or rice porridge to look like. I went ahead to season it with some sugar at this point. It is best to do this because when you do it later on, it's going to end up being runny. So 5 minutes time for everything to be ready. Add in your sugar or your sweetener of choice. You may decide to even add some honey. And to make this much more creamier, I decided to add quarter cup of fresh milk just to make everything so smooth and very creamy. As you see, this is so delicious. One of the best way you will enjoy your rice water or rice porridge is to follow this recipe. It is indeed the best. Oh, so good. So right now we are done. All that we have to do is allow this to simmer for the next 5 minutes and it is ready for us to serve. I have a fun fact here. In Sweden, did you know that rice porridge is being served for dinner during the festive season? It really shocked me when I found out. I said, what? This is for breakfast in Ghana, and I was really pleasantly surprised. But they really do enjoy it, especially during the Christmas season. They really love their rice porridge. It is one of the best things they enjoy. And I said, wow. So yes, you can actually have it for dinner if you want. It is quite heavy, so I do clearly understand. But this for us was for breakfast, and we did really enjoy it so much. You can go ahead and add some cinnamon, and if you're a cinnamon lover, please go ahead and sprinkle some on top. It's very delicious that way, and it's also very healthy. I'll then even go in with my evaporated milk, and it's all in your quarts now. You can even add some roasted peanuts. It is so good in here as well, and you're good to go. This is really nice, and I hope that you enjoy. And we did really enjoy this so much with our Ghana tea bread too. What? It was so delicious. A little bit of butter on the side. We didn't do too much with it because this on its own is quite heavy, so no like omelette and stuff like that. Just your tea bread, a little bit of butter, and you're good to go. This is really creamy, very delicious, and very sustainable throughout the day. If you want to learn more about the Ghanaian breakfast series, I have a playlist on that. Please go ahead and check all the breakfasts that I've shared there. You're going to love it. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe, family. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.